We just had our actor orientation for the year, and I'm so freaking excited. They're so pumped. I can't stand it. All right. That's our last one to go right there. So we'll do a walkthrough because we had lighting up. Now, mind you, this was just kind of thrown up last minute because it's just so darn hot. So I was working so long on trying to get this up so that they would have a great taste of what is to come. Is that strobe light even going? Yeah, I can see it. I made a boo-boo and I thought that I was putting a white light in here. So you can kind of see the strobe right there. Make sure I don't run into the walls. It's so spooky. Yeah, you know how I feel about strobe lights. So, and no, that's gonna go. We'll let it focus because, as I said, the lighting is not perfect. And my phone's telling me to move back to improve the focus. Hopefully it'll be kind in just a moment. There we go. Okay. So, here's a nice look. Obviously, we're going to have some dividers, so you're not able to see into the next rooms. But here's an example of how the lighting will look. I love this one here, this fading one. Oh, it's so... I don't know, it just messes with you. It's so disturbing. Although it's really fast. It was slower before. That's okay. We'll work with it. Look how dark it is in there. Oh, well. Okay. The camera shows it light. It is not that light from the human eye. It is like pitch black. And, well, that's the point. You're not supposed to see anything in there. And this will be covered. So they're not going to be able to see that light. Or maybe just a taste of it. And, of course, this door is going to be shut. They were so excited, and I'm so excited. Yeah, so you'll be able to see that like tiny bit of light going through, but oh, it's so crazy with the shadow. Oh, I love this so much. So nice. Of course, as I said, that red light is not going to always be on, although it looks kind of cool, so maybe I'll have two lights in here. We're still deciding on the final colors of the lighting, and I can't get through the door. Ah, what a ding-dong. Yep. Oh, that's interesting. How is the light coming through there? Oh, it's through that. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, I better... Yeah, there'll be some flaps over there to cover that up. But see, this is why you do walkthroughs, because I didn't realize how much light from the other room was coming into the pitch black room. That's not okay. Oh, this was such a hit. They were able to make this make like the worst creaking noise. I don't know if I can do it. I'm not as cool as them. But anyhow, it's awesome. I don't know how much of the clown area that I've been able to show, but holy crap is all I can say. Oh my god, I'm geeking out so badly. I did not expect it to be so cool. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, I love it so much. It's not 100% finished. There's still a few mirrors that have not gone up. And yes, I know those are Christmas things. This is gonna just mess people up. This is so glorious. I was gonna put up these things. I don't know if I'm going to now. This is so horrible, especially when the little dots are going. You're like falling over because all of these mirrors are off kilter. I am so in love with this. And the fact that it's Christmas trees and ornaments and snowflakes, it just messes with people. It is so funny. And I love this so much. And even though the light isn't hitting this side, it's reflecting off, where's my hand? There it is. It's reflecting off the mirrors over here and getting over here anyway. It's glorious. And then, this sign over here, it's going to say, it's going to say exit. But in reality, by the way, there'd be a clown in here because this is the clown area, as I said. They're going to think, oh, it's not so bad. It's just one. And then once they exit out to here, this is where the rest of the clowns are. Yes, sorry, it's dark. There's some laser lights bleeding through the drop panel light. But that's it. That's the end. There will be more lighting over here, obviously. And we're working on getting the front like floodlights fixed, the ones that turn on with motion. I would love to have those. So I will just leave you with this glorious sight. Oh, look at it over there. It's like fireworks. Oh, I'm sorry if I'm just gushing so much. It's beautiful. We've had a wonderful, fantastic night. Lots of returning actors, lots of new actors. I'm so excited! Yay! Oh my gosh, I love this so much. I can't wait. Oh yeah. We did do a lot today, so I guess you could say this is day 26. Such a success. I love this so much, so I'll just leave you with this parting shot. Yeah, go ahead and try and walk straight through this thing. If we can find the remote for this, or maybe I can purchase a new one just like it, I would love it to just do this the whole time. That's going to mess so many people up, and I'm going to love it so much. Because they won't even be able to see. There's a window right here where the clowns can see them. And there's a drop panel here. I might not even set this drop panel up. It's great to have two windows where when this thing's going, you can't see them. It's crazy. I mean, look at it. You're just in this flurry of lights. It's great. I'm so excited. I hope you're excited. Halloween's the best. Hot season. I better see y'all real soon. Get your butts down here. See ya.